Hi, I'm Jane McGregor and we're here for another renovation moment. I am here in a house that was built in 1974. As you can see, not much has been done to it since it was purchased. The old wood cabinets, old style. This kitchen is very, very small. When you open up the dishwasher, you can't really stand at the sink. The cabinets down here on both sides are not usable at all. It's just wasted space because they can't get to those areas as well as the top portions. Also, we've got fur downs all the way around that limit the use and space in this kitchen and make it look smaller. This new refrigerator is great, but it extends at least 10 inches out from the cabinets. So ideally, we would move it into the space where the pantry currently is. Our plan is to knock all of the cabinets out, the island, the fur downs, and start over. This pantry seems pretty large, but when you actually try to use it, the owners try to install some shelves. When you pull these out, a lot of the items fall behind and then they get stuck. So a lot of this is just not usable space. Ideally, we would move the refrigerator over to this spot and make use of that room in the kitchen, and we'll build a new pantry. This island may have seemed like a good idea in the 70s, but now all it does is cut this space in half. The plan in this kitchen is to remove the island, the cabinets, the fur down, and wrap the cabinets in this direction. They have several very large appliances. We will have in one of the cabinets a large drawer that pulls out and a plug, so these can stay plugged in, but they'll stay out of sight. Also, it will give us room to install a new island in the middle here, which will allow bar stools on the outside, so extra seating. So bottom line is, all of these items here that are being used for storage, those can go away. We'll have all built-ins here on the bottom and on the top, and we'll have all new luxury vinyl plank flooring. We are back in this kitchen that we demoed 4 weeks ago. We literally removed all of the tile flooring, the cabinets, the appliances, the fur downs. We replaced everything, including new cabinets, new lighting, new vinyl plank flooring, and a new space in here that's actually usable. On both corners of this kitchen now, we have Lazy Susans where pots and pans can be stored. We have a dishwasher that can actually be opened and used while you're working at the sink, which we didn't have before. And drawers in any place that we could put drawers, which makes it more convenient. So we moved the refrigerator over to this space to give us more room in the kitchen, and we added a wall over here and a cabinet above it to make it look like this was the place for the refrigerator all along. We were able to add some features that we didn't have in this kitchen before, including this spice drawer that is right next to the stove and makes that very convenient, as well as our new pantry, which has all pull-out drawers, all soft close, and lots of extra space. Before the renovation, the trash can had to be stored in the laundry room. Now we've created a drawer for the trash, make it convenient, along with adding an island that we can have a microwave and lots of drawer space. A cabinet that is devoted entirely to the larger appliances with pull-out drawers and a plug behind so that they can be used without removing and then closed back up. With our new luxury vinyl plank flooring, the new cabinets, quartz countertops, hardware, lighting, appliances, we have not only updated the look of this kitchen, but it is now ready for entertaining.